Hello and welcome back to the Broken Doll. And I'm back here with these teeth again. Okay, so what I've done is I've taken one of these little knives and I lift up each side here, and I'm just about ready to take these teeth right out. So here we go. The teeth are coming out of the little slot here. The best way, there we go. Now we can clean this up really nice and get this nice and dry. There we go. Because we know there was some of that goop back behind the teeth. All right, now we have to be careful. Now I did look up some of my teeth. When it comes to these white teeth, they come in 4, like there's only 4. Shirley Temple had 6 teeth. What did I do with those little teeth? I don't know what I did. I don't have a clue. I had them here, there were 4. And anyhow, that's not going to work for her. I do have 6, but they're little tinier teeth. I'm going to have to check and see. Oh, here they are, right here. That's what I have. And what I might have to do is, now these have not broke. So I will have to take, I have a second one, and I have to glue 2 more teeth on there. That's what I would have to do, is snap off 2 and glue 2 on. But then this off centers it, so I can't center. Oh, then I put one on one side, one on the other. Okay, that's what I would do. One here to center this. All right, so you can't put them on the end. So anyhow, this is just thinking out loud. If this was to break, you don't want it to break though. I don't know if painting them is the way to go. I do have another alternative that I would like to try. And I might wait, I'm going to wash off this paint. And I think I like to try my other alternative first. So let's do this. I'm going to show you what I'm about ready to do. Let's do this other. I have a thought in my head. How can we whiten, these teeth? So, to get them a little bit whiter. Let me get my brush out of here. This is water. So I just put my brush into some water. And we're going to just clean the brush off. Okay, there we go. And I just want to dump these into some water here. Just get some water on them. There we go, good. And just clean. Let's get my brush cleaned up in here too. Okay, there we go. And let's just make sure we're cleaning these teeth really nice. Okay, there we go. All right, that looks pretty good. Okay, what is my next thing I like to do? Well, I'm going to show you this. And I think I got them right up here. Let's see if I can find it. I should have brought it down while I was, see, my thinking's all sporadic. This is how I think. And I might have to come back again with another video on this. So let me search for what, I don't want to give it away because I'm excited about it. And I want you to see this here. And it's just one of my next things I would like to try to do. And I know, it's up here on my shelf of many things. But it's just a matter of finding it. And here, I'm just going to have to do some moving here. Maybe I can still find it within reasonable timing. Oh, okay, I'm going to come back. Don't want to waste any more video time here. I'm going to come back with another video. Hang in there.